Tom, look at this.
What is it?
The sweater from Aunt Linda.
Oh, yeah, she gave that to you for Christmas.
I know, and it's really nice, but it's too small.
Too small. Let me see.
I tried it on already.
How does it feel?
Not good. It's very tight.
Can you move your arms?
Barely. When I lift them, it pulls here.
That doesn't sound comfortable.
It isn't. I feel like I can't breathe.
Okay, yeah, you definitely need a bigger size.
I feel bad, though.
Why?
It was a gift. What if Aunt Linda gets upset?
She won't. People return gifts all the time.
Really?
Of course, especially clothes.
So, can I return it?
Yes, you can return it.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Do I need the receipt?
Usually, yes.
Oh, no.
Relax. Check the gift box.
Okay, give me a second.
Take your time.
I see tissue paper, a card. Wait,
Did you find something?
yes, the receipt is here.
Perfect.
Oh, wow, I'm relieved.
See? No problem.
So we should go today?
Yes, it's better not to wait.
Why?
Some stores have time limits for returns.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, usually 30 days.
Okay, let's go today then.
Good idea.
Where's the store again?
At the mall near the highway.
Is it far?
Not really, about 20 minutes.
With traffic?
Maybe 25, but not bad.
I always get nervous at malls.
Why?
Too many people, too many choices.
You'll be fine. I'll be with you.
Thank you. That helps. Should I bring my ID?
It's a good idea, just in case.
Okay, I'll put it in my bag.
You'd still return the sweater, just with more stress.
That's true.
Now hurry up.
I'm coming.
Hello, welcome to the store. How can I help you today?
Hi, yes, I'd like to return this sweater, please.
Of course. May I see the item?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. And do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Great, thank you very much. Let me take a look.
Okay,
All right, I see the purchase here. What's the reason for the return?
it's too small for me.
I understand. Did you try it on at home?
Yes, I did.
And it didn't fit comfortably?
No, it was very tight.
That happens a lot with sweaters.
Really?
Yes, especially during the holidays.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Don't worry at all. This is not a problem.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
That's a relief.
Absolutely.
That's a relief.
Would you like a refund?
I'm not sure. What are my options?
You have two options, a refund to the original payment method or store credit.
What exactly is store credit?
It's money you can use in this store instead of cash.
So I can buy something else?
Yes, anything you like.
Is there a time limit?
You can use it anytime this year.
That's good to know.
Also, store credit gives you 10% extra.
10% extra?
Yes, it's part of our holiday bonus.
Oh, wow, that sounds nice.
Many customers choose store credit for that reason.
So if the sweater was $50,
You would get $55 in store credit.
that's great.
Would you like to choose store credit then?
Yes, I think I will.
Excellent choice. Would you like a receipt for the return?
Yes, please.
All right. One moment while I process this.
Okay,
Just a second, and we're done.
that was fast.
Here is your store credit card.
Thank you.
And here is your return receipt.
Great. I really appreciate your help.
It's my pleasure.
I was very nervous before coming here.
You did very well.
Thank you for being so kind.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all.
All right. Enjoy your shopping.
That was much easier than I expected.
See? I told you it would be simple.
I was nervous for nothing.
You handled it perfectly.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, I wouldn't leave you alone.
So, should we look around a little?
Sure, we're already here.
I don't really need anything, though.
You don't think you do.
What does that mean?
It means you should look around.
Okay.
Do you need anything?
No, not really. Do you?
Not exactly.
Then why are we still shopping?
Because I see something interesting.
Where?
Over there, by the window.
What are you looking at?
That blue scarf.
This one?
Yes, that one.
It's really beautiful.
I thought you might like it.
The color is nice.
It will look great on you.
You think so?
I'm sure of it.
But it's probably expensive.
Maybe, but you don't know yet.
I don't even want to check the price.
Try it on.
Me? Here?
Yes, why not?
Everyone can see me.
That's fine.
All right, just for a second.
Take your time.
Okay, how does it look?
Wow.
What?
It looks amazing.
You're exaggerating.
I'm not.
It feels so warm.
And it matches your eyes perfectly.
Tom, stop saying things like that.
Why? It's true.
I really like it, but
But what?
we should save money.
You're right.
We don't need this.
We don't need it.
Exactly.
All right.
Thank you for not pushing me.
I respect your choices.
Let's keep looking.
Sure, maybe we'll find something else. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to buy that scarf.
Which one?
The blue cashmere scarf on the display.
Ah, yes, that one is very popular.
I can see why.
Is it for you?
No, it's for my wife.
That's very sweet.
She's actually here with me.
Oh, so this is a surprise?
Yes, exactly.
I love surprises like this. I don't want her to see it. No problem. We can be very discreet.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Would you like it wrapped?
Yes, please, if possible.
Of course. I'll wrap it quickly.
She's just looking around right now.
We'll be fast.
Thank you. She liked it a lot.
I noticed the way she looked at it.
Yeah, she tried it on. It looked beautiful on her. I thought so too. Is this for a special occasion?
Kind of, just a small surprise.
Those are often the best gifts.
I agree. All right, let me check the price.
Okay.
Would you like to use store credit?
Yes. Will the store credit cover it?
Let me see. Yes, it will.
That's great.
You still have a little balance left, too.
Perfect.
I'll finish wrapping it now.
She might come back any minute.
Almost done.
Is it ready?
Yes, beautifully wrapped.
Wow, that looks perfect.
Would you like me to hide it?
Yes, please, somewhere safe.
I can keep it behind the counter.
That would be great.
You can pick it up later.
You've been very kind.
She's a lucky woman.
Honestly, I'm the lucky one.
I hope she loves it.
I know she will. Good luck. Thank you. I won't forget this.
Dinner was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it.
You cooked so well tonight.
I had help.
From who?
A cooking video.
Well, it worked.
Tom, I have something for you.
What is it?
Close your eyes.
Tom, what did you do?
Just trust me.
Okay.
Hold out your hands.
I'm nervous.
Open them.
The scarf.
Merry late Christmas.
Tom, how?
I used the store credit.
But you needed a shirt.
I need you happy more.
It's beautiful.
Just like you.
How does it look?
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
I love it so much.
I love you more.